Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the profile, the photo profile on Netflix. So here I've already opened the netflix.com on my browser, and to start, you can just click on the current. You can go to your photo profile is in here, and then here you'll see the manage profiles option. So tap on that. So if you have more than one profiles on your Netflix, you can just choose which one that you want to change its photo profile. Just click on this pencil icon, and here click on this pencil icon again on the photo. Then here you can just choose the photo profile, the new profile that you want. So for example, in here I'm going to find one first. Okay, so for example, I'm going to change into this one's right here. So just click on the photo, then click on let's do it. Now you can scroll down and click on save, and just like that, your photo profile will be changed on Netflix. Click on done after that, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.